Hi guys, my name is Mustafa and you're watching AJAZZ. So guys, today I'm here with the unboxing of my new gaming keyboard, which is known as AJAZZ. Okay, this is a Chinese company, AJAZZ. The model number of this keyboard is AK33. So now let me just open the box. So I've opened the box, and in the box a brush for dust, and this is, I think so, keycaps remover. Okay, so this is the keyboard over here, and there should be a charging cable in it too. Yep, there is a charging cable. Not a charging cable, it is a USB type C connector to connect this keyboard with my laptop or my console. So as you can see, this is the AJAZZ keyboard in white color. It is looking nice. The clicks are good. It is a mechanical keyboard, and I think so the clicks are in blue color. Okay, so let me connect it with my USB. Okay, so okay, here you come with a blue color, I think so. So guys, there is in the white version there is only blue lights, and if you get the black version you can get some different colors also, but I like white, so I get the white color. So as you can see, clicks. Okay, these are arrow keys. As you can see, these keys are removable, but I don't know how to remove them. So to be very honest, for I think so 100 Saudi riyals, this is a good keyboard. I will just give you the link in description from where I purchased it from Amazon. So I will give you the link, so you can, if you want to purchase, you can purchase it from there. The cable length is long, and yeah, it is, I think so, 87 keys keyboard without a number key, which are good for gaming, because you know I don't have a big space for gaming. So about this keyboard, if you say, I will give it 8 out of 10. Okay, the thing which I don't like is in that there is only blue color background. Okay, this is the only thing I didn't like. And you can use it bluetoothly, like you can disconnect it with your phone or laptop wirelessly, but you know, for gaming it is preferred to use cable to reduce the delay. So this was the unboxing of my keyboard as well as sound test, as you can see. So hope you enjoyed this video. I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.